Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. This beats for the ones who build it, break it, and still finish the mission. You like precision, maps, and telling everyone else exactly where to dig. This one's for you. This is 12 Tango, Technical Engineering Specialist. You survey land, test materials, and draft the blueprints so other MOSs can stop guessing. You'll use CAD software, GPS, survey gear, and lab equipment. You'll also build models, draft topographic layouts, and say, that's not to scale, more than once a week. Training's just under 15 weeks. You'll learn to convert chaos into coordinates and turn flat ground into a future base. This job's for the thinkers with dirty boots. If you like order, geometry, and making a plan before the backhoe starts digging, this is your territory. Civilian side, engineering firms, survey crews, architects, and contractors will take your number. And this time, you're the one with the plan. You're not just holding the clipboard, you're shaping the mission, one grid square at a time. And when that FOB airfield or HQ goes up clean and on time, yeah, that started with a 12 Tango. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down, many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps. You're welcome.